Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how to log into Telegram. So, before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe, notification turned on to our channel, because we post content like this. To get notified for future videos, be sure to subscribe, notification on, and let's start today's video. Now, after opening the Telegram, the screen opens up and, in this screen, click on Start Messaging over here, and then enter your phone number over here. And remember to put your country's code by clicking on the country's name. Mine's Nepal, so it's 977, but if I want to change it, I can just click on Nepal, then change it to whichever country I am in. So, I'm in Nepal, so it's 977, and after entering your phone number, you need to click this button over here. So, let me enter my phone number. Then after entering your phone number, it's going to send the verification code to your phone number to verify if it's your phone number or not via SMS. So, as you guys can see, I received my code. Now I'm going to type this number over here, and it's taking me to my account, and boom, I've entered my Telegram account. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.